Welcome back to Night Hour Crew. Tonight we are replacing this flange on this aftermarket exhaust system. This is a Mazda 3 with an aftermarket catback, but this flange is too big. As you can see, it keeps blowing out this gasket. We're gonna cut one out and re-weld a new one in. Okay, we got the exhaust dropped. You can see how big that flange is compared to that one. We've made our measurement. We're gonna cut it right here. Ta-da! Okay, we got our piece of pipe cut. We're gonna weld it to here. Okay, we got her all welded up. Not the best welder, but it'll work. Let's go put her in the car. Okay, we got the new pipe mocked up here. We're just gonna weld her in place. Okay, we got her welded on. We just need to reinstall and let's see how she sounds. Okay, this is the Mazda 3. We got the exhaust all welded up, everything put back together. Let's hear how it sounds. Not bad. That's pretty loud. On to the next one.